Chapter 14, Non-Routine Maintenance, Attended. To access the maintenance module, please select Non-Routine Work. You can filter the maintenance tasks or simply click on the Accept button to view them all. To add a new job, navigate to the toolbar and click on Add. Enter the name of the individual reporting the maintenance issue and specify the type of maintenance required. For this example, we will focus on corrective maintenance. Be sure to document the date and time the maintenance request was received. Select the equipment that was reported and proceed to the next step. In a new tab, input the details of the reported work or failure. The observations should provide a concise summary of the issue. Indicate the priority level for the work performed, as well as the specialist who performed the work. If the routine maintenance has already been completed, mark the Yes box. Record the materials, services, and the individual responsible for the task in the following fields. Document the initial and final status of the maintenance, confirming the start and end times of the work. Create a detailed log outlining the resolution of the problem in the procedure section. On the subsequent screen, specify whether the non-routine work should be classified as a failure. Select the type of failure and specify its cause. Provide a brief description of any damage to third parties, if applicable. Click Finish to complete the process. Congratulations, the non-routine work has been successfully recorded in the log.